This is the new Vortexx Tri-Surface 20, and basically it's a 20-inch stainless steel beast that's going to help us cleaning in a lot of different ways. So you have your typical surface cleaner with the rotation underneath of all the different elements, and what it does is it spins underneath 3 different nozzles, and you'll see how well that works. But the problem is that loosens the dirt, but it also kind of keeps it contained underneath. What we've done is integrated a 4 nozzle broom on the front, and that broom has nozzles in it that are all quick connect nozzles, all stainless steel components. And then we also have 2 corner nozzles, and these are blasting nozzles. So in order to power these 2 different elements, we need to have 2 guns, which this has, so a right hand gun and a left hand gun. And what we'll do is actually show you how that works in action. So the Tri-Surface 20 actually has some really unique features that a lot of other competitors don't have. And number one is that we have the stainless steel fittings here, and we can change out each one of those nozzles. So on a lot of the brooms that you'll have today, they don't have nozzles that can be changed. So once you get a nozzle plugged up, it's going to be a real pain to try to clean it up. With ours, you can just take some extra nozzles, pop a new one in, and keep working until you get back to your shop, and then you can clean out those nozzles if you want to spend the time and make them work again. The other thing is that when we did our first pass here, you'll notice it was very tough to get close to the wall, so it was quite dirty. And then what we did is we used our corner edge cleaner here, and this one again, you can change out the nozzles. But with that, when we use that, we were able to get right against the wall and clean it up quite a bit. So I'll show you how that looks.